boys and girls, we are doing the Chapter 1 review test for Chapter 1, okay? I think you guys need to know these concepts and skills already, so you're going to do the first page, the second page, the third page by yourself. The fourth page, however, we will do together. Okay, so number 15. Let's read that story problem. Shauna made a list of ways to write the number 26. Okay, you can see the way she decided to write it on this green little note right here, okay? Those are different ways she thinks you can make 26, okay? Okay, now keep drawing. Draw a quick picture for 53. Then list 3 different ways to write the number 53. Okay, so if we were drawing the number 53, how many 10s would we need to draw?
5.
Okay, let's raise our hands. Ellie, 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. Right? That's how we draw 5 10s. I hope you guys are doing this too. Some of you are all staring in space. We gotta get this done. Draw 5 10s. How many 1s then would we draw for the 1s in 53? Sarah? 3 1s. Right, that makes 53, doesn't it? Okay, now let's do 3 ways to write that. What is one way, looking even at hers, but doing a different number, doing 53 instead of 26, what's one way we could do it? Alize?
50 plus 3.
Okay, we could do, I'm going to put it on the bottom, 50 plus 3, because that's what she did right here on 20 plus 6, right? So that's one way we could write it, 50 plus 3. What's another way, Hudson?
20.
No, you want to say it in word form. So how would you write it? What's the first word you would write?
20.
No, the number is 53. 50 first. How do you spell 50? F I I another F T and then what says the E sound? Yes, Y says the E sound. 50, but then you have to put a hyphen there. Hyphen. Okay. 50. Now what? 3. How do you spell 3? T-H R E-E. 53. Okay? And what's the last way that we can write 53? Look at her one way for 26. She did it like that. What would we do instead for 53? Someone that hasn't answered yet. Nicholas?
5 10s.
5 10s.
And 3 1s.
3 1s. Good job. Okay, number 16. Let's read this one. Mrs. Payne is buying 32 pencils. She can buy them in packs of 10 pencils number. Remember how to do these, boys and girls? These number tables? Okay. What do I do first? If my number, we know our number is 32. Yes, I see Grayson doing it right now. He put a 3 and a 2 right here. You also need to put the 3 and the 2 right here for 32. Right? Okay. Now we want to go how? Down by how many? 1. So what's down by, what's 1 less than 3?
2.
Okay. What's 1? Wait. Just keep doing this side. What's 1 less than 2? 1. What's 1 less than 1?
0.
0. Right? We found the pattern. Now, remember what the pattern is on this side?
Yes.
What's the pattern you are going how, Liam?
Up by 1.
No, not up by 1s. Close. No, not down.
Up by 10s.
Up by 10s. So if we have 2, what's 10 more than 2?
12.
12. 10 more than 2 is 12. What's 10 more than 12?
22.
Not 20. 22. What's 10 more than 22? 32. Okay. So we got the graph filled out now, right? We went down by 1s, up by 10s here. Okay? But now we have to choose 2 of the ways from the chart and explain how these 2 ways show the same number of pencils. Okay, so we can draw these ways, okay, to explain. Okay, so if we did 32, let's draw 32. 3 10s, 2 1s, okay? So let's write that. Or let's just do 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 equals what?
32.
32. Okay? That's one way to explain. Now, what if we did, okay, 2 plus 12, but it's not 2 plus 12, it's, what's this if it was 10? 2 10s is
20.
2 10s is 20. And then let's draw 12 1s.
Is that supposed to be a 0?
What?
That's
2 10s and 12 1s. So 2 10s is how much? 20 plus 12 equals what?
equals 32.
32. Okay, that's all we have to do to explain. Okay? Just show that they both equal 32. Okay?